Best peanut brittle recipe without corn syrup. During my last craving for peanut brittle, I used my microwave recipe. It's something I enjoy eating all year long. The only issue I have is that it uses corn syrup. If you've been following my posts, I try to substitute corn syrup as much as I can. Today, I'll share with you my peanut brittle recipe without corn syrup just as I promised. Tips in making the perfect brittle. Prepare all ingredients in the baking sheet so that you can move swiftly through the process without pause. Using a heavy-bottomed pan is helpful in keeping your sugar mixture from burning. Don't stir the sugar after mixing the ingredients together. Keep your eye on the mixture. The moment the sugar starts turning brown, you need to immediately turn the heat down. Don't be intimidated by the bubbles. Adding baking soda creates a chemical reaction, leading the sugar mixture to bubble a lot. Peanut brittle recipe without corn syrup. Sweet and salty peanut brittle, minus the guilt of corn syrup. Prep time, 5 minutes, cook time, 20 minutes max, resting time, 30 minutes, total time, 55 minutes. Ingredients: 1½ cups salted peanuts, 1 cup granulated sugar, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon butter, ½ teaspoon vanilla, 1 tablespoon. Instructions. Step 1: Prepare all the ingredients before starting with anything. Step 2: Combine sugar, water, and salt in a heavy-bottomed saucepan. Step 3: Bring to a boil over medium-high heat without stirring. Step 4: Once the color of the sugar starts to change around the edge, turn down the heat to medium. Step 5: Gently swirl the pan around to incorporate the caramelized sugar until the color turns. Step 6: Take the pan off the heat and quickly add in the butter, vanilla, and baking soda. Stir continuously until the mixture becomes glossy. Step 7: Stir in the nuts quickly and pour the mixture onto the greased baking sheet. Step 8: After the mixture spreads on its own, flatten the parts where the nuts are in huge clumps. Step 9: Let the peanut brittle cool for about 30 minutes. Step 10: Once the brittle is ready, crack the brittle to pieces. Store in an airtight container.